Ever seen your screen duplicate endlessly on Google Meet? That's the dreaded infinity mirror effect, and today I'll show you how to stop it fast. Let's get started. Step 1. The infinity mirror happens when you share your screen, and what you're sharing includes the Google Meet window itself. It creates a loop. Simple cause, but annoying effect. Step 2. When clicking Present Now, avoid sharing your entire screen. Instead, choose a window or a tab and pick only the app or tab you actually want to show. Step 3. If you have two monitors, drag Google Meet to one screen and share content from the other. That way, Meet isn't caught in its own loop. Step 4. For sharing slides or YouTube videos, choose a Chrome tab. It keeps the mirror effect out and boosts performance with audio. Bonus tip. Still seeing the mirror effect? Turn off your own video preview at the bottom of the Meet screen. You'll stop that weird feeling of looking into digital infinity. And that's how you avoid the infinity mirror in Google Meet. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more smart tips. See you next time!